Yo, if you want to make at least $1,000 a week as an entrepreneur in your business, then you're going to want to watch this video. Let's go. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make $1,000 a week as an entrepreneur. And if you stick all the way through this video, I'm going to give you an additional resource that's going to help speed up this process and help you grow a whole heck of a lot faster. All right, the first of these two strategies, one is actually making an offer and on a social media platform, probably where you're most active and where you get the most engagement. For me, I do this on Facebook. Now, you just can't just make any offer. The offer has to be really dialed in, honed in to your specific target market, and you have to have a hard offer versus a soft offer. Now, a hard offer offers something specific, tangible, the vehicle, time frame, all that. And a soft offer is something like people are like, oh, I help you grow your business. Nobody's going to buy that. So if you make a hard offer and you give them a specific benefit, specific vehicle to reach the benefit, and a specific time frame in which they're going to reach that benefit, you'll see a lot more conversion with that. So think about a skill set or a service that you can offer to the marketplace that is actually valuable, and it has to be a tangible benefit result, something measurable. So for an example, my hard offer is, hey, I'm going to help you become a celebrity status in your marketplace, an authority, making it a lot easier for you to get clients. And we're going to do that by becoming a top-rated podcaster on Apple in 5 weeks or less. So notice I hit the benefit of becoming the celebrity type authority figure that's going to help them generate more cash flow. We're going to do that by launching a top shelf podcast on Apple in 5 weeks or less, and in 5 weeks or less is the time frame. So that's what you want to do with your hard offers. Think of something specific that you can offer people. Now, what you're going to want to do is to sell this service for at least $500. Mine is a $5,000 program, so it's a lot easier for me to hit $1,000 a week. So if you make 2 sales off a $500 product, that's $1,000 that you just made in that 1 week right there. Now, what you do is you make the post and then you give a specific call to action. Hey, if this is a good fit and something you want to talk more and lock it in, make sure you send me a DM and we'll get you all set up. Then when people DM you, you set up the phone call, you get on the phone call. First thing you want to ask them is, hey, what about this offer really stuck out to you? What about this offer did you like? They're going to tell you the reason why they like that offer, which is them confirming that they like your offer, and it's also going to help you understand how you can help them. Then you run through the offer, you let them do most of the talking, but you run through the finer details and you tell them how to make a payment, ask them if they're ready to get started, and if they're a good fit and they say yes, then you send them the link, boom. There's how you do that, the first way to make $1,000 or more a week. All right, real quick, before we get into this next, a little bit more advanced strategy on how you're going to produce at least $1,000 or more a month. If you dig that first tip, or if you're digging the tips on the channel, make sure you hit subscribe so you continue to get the #1 resource to help you build a passive income business. So if you don't already have a product in place or a service in place or skills built up that are valuable to the marketplace that your audience will actually buy and want, if you're just kind of getting started out, then you're probably definitely want to start off with affiliate marketing, which is you're going to be taking products and services that have already been proof of concept and that are already converting in the marketplace, and you become an affiliate where you're recommending them to your audience and you earn a commission if anybody actually makes the purchase. Now, there's a ton of different ways that you could do this. I'm going to give you a really intense way. You don't have to have every single ingredient of what I'm about to show you, but if you implement this and you continue to do this, you're going to get really, really good at it, and you're going to make a lot of sales for your audience because you're going to be helping them. You're going to bridge the gap. You're going to be introducing new products and services, stuff that's going to make things easier for your audience to achieve a specific goal or a specific result that they're after. All right, so the first piece of this strategy is you're going to create a lead magnet, which is something that you're going to offer that helps your audience get a quick win. It's going to help teach them something, educate them, help them get to the next step, and you're going to give that away to them for free in exchange for their email address. So let's head to the computer. I'm going to show you how to set this up. All right, you can make a lead magnet in a bunch of different softwares. What I recommend is Canva because it's really inexpensive. I think they even have a free version, and you can create PDFs that are easy to design. It's really simple to use, unlike more advanced softwares like Photoshop, for example. So let's go in here to one of my lead magnets to give you an example. In here, you can build out the pages. You want to have a specific, for this one, it's a YouTube money checklist, so it shows you how to make money on YouTube on autopilot and how to grow your YouTube channel. And it literally gives them all the steps, a case study, everything. And in this whole thing, I'm educating, I'm showing them a step-by-step process on how to grow their YouTube channel and how to make money off of it. And on top of that, I'm linking up to softwares like TubeBuddy that helps them rank their videos and saves them time on YouTube. So that's what you're going to want to do. You're going to create a lead magnet that helps your audience get a specific result. All right, next up, now that you got the lead magnet, now we need to build a landing page so that we can actually collect emails when people opt in. So let's head back to the computer and I'll show you how to build a landing page. All right, to build the landing page, we're going to use a tool. What I recommend is Lead Pages. This is what I do for all my lead magnets, and you can check that out. I'm going to link it up in the description below. It's at underdogempowerment.com/LP. Yes, that is an affiliate link. I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. This is what I recommend. You can check out other resources as well. So let's go into that same lead magnet, the YouTube money checklist. As you see, I got a 74% conversion rate on this. So let's open it. All right, here's a preview. This is what it looks like. It is very simple. There's nothing fancy on here. The key component here is that we hit on the headline, YouTube Money Checklist, how to make money on autopilot with YouTube without paid ads. So what the key here is, we said how to make money on autopilot, which is the benefit, with YouTube, which is a vehicle, and then without paid ads, which is a pain point that they want, my audience wants to avoid. And so they read that, and the key here is that I didn't have the email fill in right here. They have to actually click on this. So get the checklist. That means they're already saying yes. They hit the first yes. You're getting them to a yes pattern. That is the psychology. First they say yes, now they want it. Boom. Where do you want this moneymaker sent to? And then it has a place for them to hit their first name email, and then boom, they opt into the list. That's it. Keep it super simple and do a two-step. That's what this is called, where they don't see the email. Two-step is where they have to click, they have to say yes, and then give you it. All right, this step that I'm getting ready to show you right now is not absolutely necessary, but if you could do this, it's going to help you get more conversions and actually people taking action on your affiliate products. And what that is where you actually get a promo code for the affiliate product that you're promoting, where it gives an incentive to your audience for something like they get 20% off if they go through your affiliate link and use a special promo code, or they might get a free month of the service whenever they go through your affiliate link and use a promo code. And how you do this is you go to the softwares or the product or service, whatever it is that you're promoting, that you're using yourself, and you reach out to the owners. You send them an email. You find the CEOs. Like for instance, I did this with TubeBuddy. Is a product that I use to help me rank my videos on YouTube. And I reached out to Phil Starkovich, which is the CEO of TubeBuddy, and I offered him to come on my podcast and asked if we could promote TubeBuddy on the podcast, and I also asked for a promo code, which he gave that to me, and then anybody that goes through my promo code, they get 20% off of TubeBuddy. So it gets an extra incentive, and what you're doing is you're creating a win-win-win. A win for your audience because you're introducing them to a product or service that's going to help them make life easier to achieve their goal, and on top of that, they get it at a discount if they go through your link. You're getting a win because you're making the commission off of the affiliate purchase, and then finally the company's getting a win because they're making a sale. So if you could do that, then that's going to help you make a lot more conversion rates. And what makes this a whole heck of a lot easier is when you have a podcast and you can interview people, because that breaks down the barrier and you can get high level people on your show, and you could do things like this. So if you want to know how to start a podcast, make sure you check out my video right there. All right, next up, we got our landing page, we got our lead magnet, we got a promo code maybe. If we got that, thing we need to do next is we need an actual email service provider and able to send follow-up emails to these people after we collect their email address. So what I recommend is ConvertKit. I'm going to link that up in the description below. Hands down, best email service provider that I found. Let's head to the computer and I'm going to show you how to set this up. All right, here we are in ConvertKit under sequences, and what you could do is you could set up sequences. They're called autoresponders. When somebody opts into your lead magnet and they give you their email address, these are the follow-up emails that you continue to build and nurture the relationship and also help guide them into making a sale that's going to help them get a specific benefit. So let's go to the YouTube money sequence, stay on the same thing here. So in this, I don't have a whole large email thing built out yet, but I would recommend doing about 8 to 10 follow-ups where you're educating and entertaining through each one of these follow-up emails, and you are also going to link up to the product. So click here to download the YouTube Money Checklist. That's where they actually get the PDF guide, the lead magnet. Inside of that lead magnet, it's linked up to the affiliate product, and it's helping nurture them and further grow their knowledge based on growing on YouTube. All right, here's another piece of the strategy that is not necessary, but it's also going to help with conversions, going to help you reach more people, and that is by setting up a messenger chatbot through Facebook where you collect people and they're subscribed to your messenger chatbot, and then you can automatically follow up with them. It's just kind of like, it's the same thing, almost the same thing as a email service provider, but it's just through a messenger bot, and they tend to have higher open rates and click-through rates and all that, and you can set that up. I recommend ManyChat. That's the one that I use, and I'll quickly show you how to get that all set up. All right, here we are inside a mini chat, and once you get set up on it, it's really simple. Just go through the sign up process, and then you can go to Growth Tools, and then right here we have the YouTube Money opt-in, and this is where you basically build out a sequence. So here's the first message that they get, and then if they go into that, then they actually go through the automation sequence, which we have set up over here. And they get sent through this automation sequence, which each day it's a different thing. Like the first one, they subscribe to my email list. Second one, I send them a YouTube video explaining it. Third one, I send them a podcast explaining how to do the YouTube money thing. And the third one, another YouTube video, and so on. So you can send these people and educate them and entertain them and help them get a specific result all through your chat bot that you set up one time, and then it has it continues to do the work for you. And if you look over here, the open rate, 100%, 100%, 95%, 94%, 94%, 94%. And this is sent to like 40-something people. And the click-through rate, which means they actually clicked on it, 87%, 20-something percent, which wasn't huge high, but 87 is humongous. See, these numbers are huge compared to email marketing. So it's also really wise to have one of these as well. Definitely have your email set up because that's the most important. All right, now we got everything set up. Now it's time we got everything in place, ready to rock and roll. Now it's time to feed some traffic to this and actually generate some leads. So let's dive into it. We could do this through any social media platform. I'm going to show you specifically how I do that through a podcast, YouTube, Facebook, and email broadcast. There's plenty more that you could do, and you could take these strategies and apply them to other platforms. But let's dive straight into this. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on a podcast first and foremost. Back to the computer. All right, here we are on my podcast. Now let's go down to episode 166, 67, and 168. These 3 episodes, I did a series where I was promoting TubeBuddy and promoting the same lead magnet and promoting the same affiliate product, all on these 3 episodes. So in the first one, I interviewed Nick Nimmin, who has 500,000 subscribers on YouTube, and he's also my podcast or my YouTube consultant. And we gave some really valuable tips on growing your YouTube channel. And then we also promoted TubeBuddy with my affiliate link and promo code. Then the next episode, I literally gave a step-by-step process on how to rank your videos on YouTube and to generate money on autopilot. And then we promoted TubeBuddy with my promo code. Then on the third episode, and this is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, then on that Friday, I interviewed Phil Starkovich, the CEO of TubeBuddy, and we talked about the origin story of TubeBuddy, how it got started, why they did it, some of the early struggles they faced, some of the cool success stories, and some actionable tips, along with my promo code and affiliate link. And that's how I promoted it on the podcast. And I also linked up the promo code and the affiliate link in the show notes so people can click on that and get the product and service. All right, next up, let me show you how I promoted this on Facebook and generated a ton of leads that way. All right, here we are on Facebook. Now, on October 22nd, 2019, I made this quick little post. I said, I made a case study and completely reverse engineered how I made one video on YouTube that generates $105 to $225 a month on autopilot for me since March. This video took me less than 1 hour to make and continues to put money in my bank over half a year later. This free case study and checklist guide comes with a step-by-step tutorial video. Anyone want it? Had over 204 comments, and what this did is they had to say yes, they want it, and then I would reply. And what that did is every time somebody comments, that boosts the engagement and shows it to more people. And then when they say yes and I replied back, then I would message them and give them the ManyChat subscriber bot for that growth tool, and it would opt them into that sequence that I set up on ManyChat, and then that way they would start to begin to get that sequence. Then that ManyChat sequence would have them opt into my email list in order for it to get the actual checklist. So that way I'm getting them subscribed to my ManyChat bot and my email list, which email list is ultra most important. That's the main thing you want to focus on building on an online business. Next up is YouTube, and this is real simple, guys. You make a video just like I'm making right now where you help people walk them through step by step on how to achieve a specific benefit, a specific goal that they have. And then during the video, you might be recommending products and services that'll help them achieve that specific benefit or goal, make it a little bit easier, save them some time, save them some money, energy, whatever the case may be. You can link it up in the description below, like I linked up my affiliate products in the description below, and that's how you promote it on YouTube. Now let's go to the next and final one. Well, there's more, but let's go to one of the most important is also sending out an email broadcast to your existing subscribers on your email list. So let's head back to the computer for this one. All right, here we are back in ConvertKit, and we're underneath the broadcast, and here are previous broadcasts that we've sent out. Now let's go to make money on autopilot with YouTube. And this is a weekly newsletter that I send out to my existing subscribers, and you'll see top links clicked. 9 people clicked on the TubeBuddy link. Some people clicked on the Nick Nimmin. So let me show you how I set it up. Now, you could do this in a ton of different ways. There's no right or wrong way to do it. There's just some key principles here. So what I like to do is I like to give a quick story, a story that has entertainment, but also sharing them with a quick benefit. And so I talk about my story, how painful it was to starting out on YouTube, and then I share how I was able to produce with just one video $105 to $225 a month off of just one video by using the same strategy I'm getting ready to show them. And then I have an empowerment resource, which is the affiliate product that we're promoting, and I give the disclosure that it's affiliate product, and I share why it's valuable to them. And then I also drop in my get 20% off TubeBuddy by using promo code UnderdogBuddy. And then I say lately on Underdog Empowerment, there was 3 episodes that came out, those 3 that I showed you earlier, with Nick Nimmin, the solo one where I showed him how to do the strategy, and then the episode with the owner, Phil Starkovich. And then I had the empowerment video where I showed them the actual YouTube video where I showed them how to do this and give them a visual. So all this was geared towards the same affiliate product in that newsletter, which was super high value add to my audience. Something that you could do to take an example of. All right, before I give you this additional resource that's going to help speed up this whole entire process and help you make more money online and make $1,000 in a week, I got to ask you a quick question. I have a ton more affiliate marketing strategies, just like the one I just showed you, that are more advanced. Some are more simpler, and I can go into detail and make more videos like that for you. So if you would like for me to make more videos, if you found that helpful, please let me know in the comments below that if you would like me to continue making videos like this so I can help serve you. Now, let's get to that resource that I promised you about. First up, make sure you hit subscribe if you're digging this channel, and if it's helping you get to the next level, this is the #1 resource that's going to help you build your passive income online. And that resource that I was talking to you about is that YouTube money checklist, where you're going to be able to make videos just like this, and you're going to be able to get consistent traffic, free traffic that's going to come into your videos, because you're going to be able to rank it on YouTube, which is going to drive that traffic, and you're going to be able to promote your affiliate products in the description when you're helping your audience get a specific result. And if you want to know how to do that, make sure you check out this video right here and follow exactly what I show you in that. Until then, I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace!